One of the things that I've noticed working in the industry is, as a general rule, it's a relatively aging population at the top.
Yeah.
So that, I think, gives rise to a lot of the exit strategies that involves consolidation. What do you say, A, about that, but B, how do we counterbalance that? I think there will be opportunities that come out of this pandemic. I've had a conversation with someone this afternoon that's thinking about going it alone, startup, and various things that Boston Tellis do to support that. So I'd really like your thoughts on that.
Yeah, I think every crisis creates an opportunity. I think you're right. I would perhaps say some of the dinosaurs need to get out of the way. To let the younger breed in. I think businesses will evolve. I think new businesses will set up. I think pre-crisis, you saw a lot of fintech companies setting up. They were homing in on customer behavior. And if nothing else, this crisis has shown that even the Silverhead Brigade is going to buy online. And if that sets another trend as to the customer experience, I think we've got to treat customers with respect. They know what they're buying. They know what value they get from the price they pay. I think you'll see new business models evolving as a result of this. I think there'll be a new generation of entrepreneurs in the insurance space that will provide some healthy solutions. We can talk about the rise of what I call the shared economy. Do you need your car 24/7? Do you need your house? So we've seen things like Airbnb. You've seen obviously Uber, and I think that will now cascade into many other activities. Online shopping for retail is a big change that's going to come. Utilization of office space is going to be a big change. I think there are phenomenal opportunities for the entrepreneurial mind, as long as people are out there, to create ideas of how they best engage with the end customer. And if the end customer buys into that journey, happy days.
I think you've just hit the nail on the head there. The entrepreneurial mind, I think this pandemic is going to push people off the precipice, and the entrepreneurial mind will develop in that space, because my experience so far is that there's a very particular mindset in the industry, and it's more corporate than entrepreneurial. So that small movability that the entrepreneurial mind allows, I think is coming through. And I've had some really interesting conversations over the last 10 weeks of lockdown around that.